Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt melts for babies. Start by choosing full-fat plain yogurt and lining a tray with parchment or silicone molds. Blend in ripe fruit or vegetable puree for flavor and natural sweetness, keeping proportions small. Spoon or pipe the mix into molds, then freeze until firm. Store melts in an airtight bag and thaw briefly before serving to maintain safe texture and temperature. Gather ingredients and tools before starting to streamline the process. Measure fruit and yogurt to keep consistent flavor and portion size, aiming for mild tastes babies accept. Puree fruit smoothly to avoid large pieces that could become choking hazards. Use silicone molds designed for tiny portions or a parchment-lined tray to create flakes. Label storage bags with date and rotate older batches to ensure freshness and safety for your baby. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes and saving baby food ideas while you cook, and it fits easily in a diaper bag. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Blend yogurt and fruit puree until silky, keeping mixtures thin enough to pipe but thick enough to hold shape. Pipe small dots onto a silicone mat or spoon tiny drops onto parchment for quick freezes. Freeze until firm, then transfer melts to labeled freezer bags in single layers to prevent clumping. Thaw a few minutes before serving to soften edges, and always test temperature and texture for safety before offering to your baby.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.